It's your boy TG Talk. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's your boy Terrence Carter, and I am here, back at it again with another video for y'all. So, straight to the point, bro. For anybody out there that's new on their journey to investing into the stock market, take this journey very, very serious, alright? Throughout this journey, there's gonna be a lot of unlearning and relearning that you're gonna be doing. And that's one thing that I've been realizing within myself. In the stock market, when you start this journey of owning assets, when you're studying the charts consistently, this shows you a total different side of life, right? And there's a lot of false beliefs that you have to reprogram from. I'm still new in the markets. So when I say new people that starting out, I mean you're probably 2 months in, 3 months in, or you probably never started at all. Me, I've been in the markets so far for 2 years. That's still new. But there's a lot of false beliefs that you have to stray away from. There is a lot of discipline, internal discipline, that is going to be required. And there's a lot of belief in yourself that you're going to need, because your mindset, okay? Your mindset towards money and towards yourself, it has to change. And it has to change for the better. You know what I'm saying? I get it. Sometimes in this human experience, we want this instant gratification. When you're investing, when you're starting out, and throughout this whole entire journey, there is no instant gratification. There is no, I'm gonna get rich overnight. No, this is a process. This is a journey. This is you all in. You have to be willing to adapt and have, like I said, the mindset shift. Alright? Y'all ever heard if you're gonna be an entrepreneur, if you're gonna work for yourself, if you're gonna do this and the third, right? You can't have a employee's mindset. So what does that mean? Alright, so you gotta think outside the box, right? You gotta think outside the box. In this human experience, right? They created a system where if you get paid every 2 weeks, that's 2 checks in a month, right? You gotta make the checks stretch. Cool. You gotta take care of 3D responsibilities. Cool. If out of the checks you don't have something that you take from the check to work for you, then you're just basically just working, just to work, just for the income, but there's nothing that you're producing. Alright, so they created that system. So when you learn how to think outside of the system, right? I have to have something that's working for me. Whether I'm working a regular job, whether I'm creating something that's gonna add value to people's life, I have to have something that's working for me. You know? So you have to think outside of the box, bro. when you own an asset, you're owning something that over time is going to gain its value. It's a business. It's tangible. You can see it. You can see you can see the businesses that you own, and you can see how money moves in real time because you are investing in the stock market. You can't see how money moves in real time if your money is just sitting in the check-ins and the savings. It's just sitting there, right? So that's another system that they created. Okay, we got the check-ins, we got the savings. Bet, that is amazing. We need that. Cool. Every month we pay in the banks, are we not? Okay. Every month the banks take money from us. So every month you're paying somebody else to hold your money. Wow. Alright, that's crazy. And to really think about it, right? The banks, they use money to make more money. And it's, y'all gotta always remember, bro, like, money is a form of energy, it's currency, it's created. They print it, they print this stuff, right? They print it out. If you just think that you're put on the planet to not create something for yourself, and you just, I'ma just make money so that I could just pay my basic bills. I'ma just only make money so that I could just take care of my basic needs. If that's the mindset that you have throughout life, that's not fair to you because you're not giving yourself room to create. You're not giving yourself room to plant seeds, right? Plant financial seeds. People really be afraid to invest into the stock market. They're afraid to invest into real estate in the stock market because they are afraid to lose money. But you're programmed to be fearful. You programmed to be fearful. I'm afraid to lose money, but you're already losing the money because you're spending it and you're not getting nothing that's buying. Like, you're not buying nothing to bring you something in return. Let me make it make sense, please. I know it makes sense to somebody out there. You get the money, you take care of your necessities, your basic bills, right? So the money is going elsewhere. Bet. So now it's leaving from you and it's going elsewhere to take care of your needs. Okay. When y'all hear the term pay yourself first, you have to remember that. I gotta have something for myself. You feel me? You gotta have something for yourself. Like I said, it's a programming, it's a conditioning. You gotta break out of that. We gotta break out of that, bro. It's all about taking a portion of what you make, purchasing the assets, holding it long term, delaying your gratification, creating different sources of income, you know? And tapping into your creative essence, your creative being, you know? Tapping into your disciplined internal muscle. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's important. Don't be so hard on yourself. Don't be so quick to judge yourself because there's a lot of unlearning. There's a lot of relearning. You know? And then two, even incorporating better financial habits, you know? Incorporating, like, if you're one of these people and you would rather, like, on a Friday or Saturday or Sunday, you want to go out, you want to go party with your friends, use that time and energy to go study the stock market. Monday through Thursday, Monday through Friday, study the stock market. Saturday and Sunday when the stock market is closed, still study the stock market. Take action. Study it because studying builds the muscle. And it's a positive habit. You know, reading, things like that. Listening to like conference calls that these companies may have, you know? That's important. And then taking action. You take action, bro. It doesn't matter how much you invest, it's the habit of doing it. It's like, would you rather just wait forever, wait for this perfect moment to start? There is no perfect moment to start, bro.